fire metaphors to understand what they can do with their brains. This gives Amir an idea. Using certain medicines as poison, he can create an effect that usually would cause brain death, but with these side effects they're having it should stop their death instead. Ignoring the hallucinations, Amir immediately starts to work on the mix. Claire rushes to tell the others and bumps into Paul, who tells her not to trust Amir. He reveals he searched Amir's things and found the bottle of stimulants he told them not to take, which is now empty. At that moment the power goes out, so they use their phone flashlights to move around. Claire starts hearing her mom's and Allison's voices and starts having a breakdown before turning around to find a dead Allison standing in front of her. Screaming, Claire drops her phone and the light goes off, so she tries using a lighter instead, causing her to see more dead faces in the dark. When she finally gets a flame going, the hallucinations stop and she finally finds the electricity box, allowing her to bring power back. Then she finds Paul on the ground and wakes him up before he could die. Afterward the group confronts Amir, asking him about the stimulants and the power box. He swears he poured them out for safety and that he didn't mess with the power, but Ray punches him for it and ties him up with Paul's help. Vanessa, Ray, and Paul are sure he's hiding something and ignore Claire's concerns as they decide they have to make Amir confess through any means. Ray gets ready to hurt Amir with a knife to make him talk, so Claire stops him by confessing Amir has been working on a cure. When Ray says that Amir's plan is to kill them, Claire volunteers to be the first subject to test it, that way they'll know if it's safe or not. The group still refuses to release Amir though, so he gives them instructions on how to mix the medicine. While Paul works, Vanessa talks to Ray in private, confessing she saw him trip the fuse. Ray admits he was trying to make Amir fall asleep to prove he was faking it, so Vanessa shares one more secret: she's found a sedative they can use. At that moment, Paul finishes mixing the cure and gets the injection ready. While everyone is distracted, Vanessa approaches Amir to give him the sedative, however she suddenly falls to the floor. In an out-of-body experience, Vanessa watches the others rush to her body, but soon smoke and darkness surround her. She sees the devil appear before her and screams as her real body starts bleeding and having a seizure. Paul rushes to grab the cure